Okay, so that shows that both those jumper packs, even the smaller one, had absolutely no problems cranking this over on a flat battery. This is a 650 Bandit, which is a 4-cylinder engine, so there's quite a bit of metal there to crank over. It did it without any problems whatsoever. I've now got it back on a full battery charger now on my optimizer, so that'll be on all night. And just have to remember to cut this cable tie off this clutch lever. Yeah, so I hope that gives you some information and gives you an idea what you might be after yourself. I would probably, because these two are basically the same price, I'll probably go for the one that brags a bit more power, simply because they're roughly about the same price. Again, you have to do a bit of trolling on eBay. You know how it works. You go on eBay, you find something you like, and then you scan through and you find it the same item cheaper somewhere else. Someone else selling it cheaper, so obviously you go through that process. So I say when I bought these were about, I think this one was 25, and I think this was about 26, 28, I can't remember exactly. But they do vary really a lot on price, and there's so many different models of this make. This make does various different models, but say this is 6,000 ampere, this is a 2,500 amp one, and yeah, this little one had no issues. But again, both units can be used as battery banks as well for your portable equipment like your phones, laptops, etc, etc, and they can be charged on the fly as well. So obviously if you've got a USB output or something on your bike, or you've added one or whatever, or a PowerPoint, and you use a USB charger, you can connect these up to the charger and charge it as you're riding along. So pretty versatile. Can't remember why I bought two. I think I had a bit of doubt with this one, so I bought another one which was about, say this one, which was about the same price, but both of them seem to work perfectly okay. I have absolutely no idea what it's like trying to fire up a car battery, but going off just that little test, I would probably think this one would have absolutely no problems. I would suspect that this one would be okay as well, but obviously with the amp rating, this being 6,000, this being 2.5, the number of times you can actually crank a dead battery, crank an engine over. Obviously this one probably may only get, on a car battery, may only get probably 4 cranks. This can do a 7-litre engine, then I would say you might get 5 to 8 cranks with this one before the pack's dead. Obviously it all depends how long you keep it cranking. Alright, I hope you find that useful information, and take care buddy, bye.